I remember the many nights long ago, underneath the pine and hang moonlight glow, listening to music from an old radio set, laughing freely and just letting go. Every note is a twist in time, through the heartache and the climb. I keep dancing through the rain, finding sunshine in the pain. Life is like a song that they play on, every beat is a memory made, and I will sing along where I belong in my melody of life. Recalling early school days and paper planes, made some road trips among best friends, singing loud till we're out of breath, making us alive and kicking. So here's to every line I write in my book of days gone by, with every rhythm I'll hold dear. This song of life, my lullaby. Life is like a song, let it play on, every beat is a memory made, and I will sing along where I belong in my melody of life. Life is like a song, let it play on, every beat is a memory made, and I will sing along where I belong in my melody of life. I remember the many nights long ago, underneath the pine and hang moonlight glow, listening to music from an old radio set, laughing freely and just letting go. Every note is a twist in time, through the heartache and the climb. I keep dancing through the rain, finding sunshine in the pain. Life is like a song that they play on, every beat is a memory made, and I will sing along where I belong in my melody of life. Recalling early school days and paper planes, made some road trips among best friends, singing loud till we're out of breath, making us alive and kicking. So here's to every line I write in my book of days gone by, with every rhythm I'll hold dear. This song of life, my lullaby. Life is like a song, let it play on, every beat is a memory made, and I will sing along where I belong in my melody of life. Life is like a song, let it play on, every beat is a memory made, and I will sing along where I belong in my melody of life.